on. Even my fingers are uncoordinated now.
All right, one more try. You ready? Oh, once more. Concentrate. Yes. 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 Pasta? Maybe the captain's right, Digit. Maybe I don't have focus. Maybe I am too distracted. Maybe this pasta needs more sauce.
Help me! I'm confused. I'm trapped in a wardrobe of confusion.
Finally, going for a new look. I don't like it.
Don't mention my hair. The host is a talent-sucking alien. He sucked our abilities. Captain was right. The host really does suck.
And he's after everyone on board.
He's sucking the talent out of everyone.
He can't become the universe's biggest star. That's my thing.
He's not going to stop rampaging until he gets what he wants. He got it from you, Nova.
So, think up a brilliant, thinky idea. It's what you do.
It's what I did. We might as well ask Sid to think up a plan.
On it.
Sid doesn't have your... Well, wait a minute.
Have you realised it yet?
Oh, no.
There it is.
It's not just work. You do have talents. Everyone has talents.
Well, at least the captain's safely locked in the cockpit.
I got it. If we get the host to visit the toilet, we can eject him out into space, just like somebody, not me, accidentally did to Kid Songwriter the other day.
And how do you propose we make him visit the toilet?
The captain will know. He's always taking trips to the toilet. Really long ones. We'll ask him.